To change your Instagram theme, simply follow these steps. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then simply make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the Paper Airplane icon, direct message in the top right corner of your screen to open your chats. Then, choose the conversation you want to change the theme for. Now, once you find the conversation, all you have to do is long press on the blank space of the chat, and there you will get to see theme option available on your screen. Now, simply long press on it and you will get to see long list of theme option available there. Simply pick any according to your preferences, then tap on it and it will be set as your Instagram chat theme. So here I am choosing the first one just for an example. So now once you choose this, simply tap on the apply or done option available and it is done. Now the next method is simply tap on the name of the person on the top. Then you can see the theme option available there. Tap on it again and you can change it in this way as well. So